Mm. So we saw the central moments. The moments those are calculated about uh, the mean, which are also called as the central moments. So the formula for the same is we'll discuss in the frequency distribution one. So whenever we have frequency distribution, the rth central moment, which is denoted by mu r, is given by
Summation fi xi minus x bar to the power r divided by
Fi
summation fi.
r raised to r
अरे यार.
summation fi. So I is running from 1 to n. I is running from 1 to n. So this is the formula for the central moment. Then we also looked at mu r of a. What is the notation? This notation used for
Assume mean.
moment about a, and the formula for the same is summation fi xi minus a raised to r upon summation fi. I is running from 1 to n. This is moment about a. Then we saw that in the properties, moments are independent of
Origin.
Change of origin.
change of
Change.
origin. Change of origin. And these depends on the change of scale.
Scale.
Depends on change of scale. What is the relation? For the central moments, mu r of x rth moment of variable x is equal to mu r
h
of u h. That's it.
h to the power r.
H to the power r. So this is the relation between the central moment of variable x and central moment of u. This we saw. And the third and very important one was the relation. The relation between mu r and mu r of e. These things we have already seen. Now, now we need to solve the examples. So we'll start with finding out the central moments. I'll also give you the formula for skewness kurtosis as we have uh, discussed. So what was the skewness? Let's write down the definition itself here. So wherever your curve is stretched, either it is stretched on the left hand side or it is stretched on the right hand side. So we discussed these cases. Uh, so there were three cases that we saw. If we have a curve like this, if we have a perfectly bell-shaped curve. It is not stretched on any of the direction. And the third one, so this curve in which the curve is stretched on the left side, this is the negatively skewed. The curve in which the curve is stretched on the right hand side, that is positively skewed. And this is the symmetric one. This is not stretched on any of the direction. So what does the skewness actually studies is the stretch of the curve in any of the direction. The coefficient of skewness, it is actually Pearson's coefficient of skewness. So beta 1 mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube. And this is the formula for coefficient of skewness. This is just extra thing, okay? It is not actually included in your syllabus. And the next one, kurtosis. The kurtosis, I said, measures the peakedness of the curve. Measures peakedness. The coefficient of kurtosis, which is beta 2. The formula for the same is mu 4 upon mu 2 square. This is the coefficient of kurtosis. So if it is greater than 3, less than 3, and so we declare this. Fine. As we have done, we will go for examples. Please keep your calculators ready. If you don't have it, bring it right now. Example number 1. Compute first 4 central moments. Compute first 4 central moments. For the following, so number of jobs completed, and the number of workers. So 0 to 10 is 6 jobs completed. Workers. So 10 to 20 workers 26, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. So you have 47, 15, 6. What we should do now? One way is straightforward. What is the straightforward way? Anyone? So your class intervals, first of all, let's just write down the class intervals. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Can you take the class intervals directly in the calculations? What is the change? Can you take the class intervals?
5, 15, 25, and so on.
So what is that column named?
Class mark.
Class mark.
Class marks, exactly. So that is 5, 15, 25, 35, and 45. The frequencies are, these are exercise, okay? And the frequencies are 6, 26, 47, 15, and 6. Now, look, there are two ways, as I said. Uh, One is directly what you do is you directly find out the mean and make the columns fi xi minus x bar square, xi minus x bar cube, and so on. Look, our question is we need to find first four central moments. What is the first moment always? Mu1 is
0. 0.
mu1 is 0. Formula for mu2 is summation fi xi minus x bar square upon summation fi. This is variance, so other formula is also there, but let's stick to this right now. Mu3 is summation fi xi minus x bar cube. Mu4 is summation fi xi minus x bar raised to 4 upon summation fi. I can directly make these columns and do the calculations. Okay, straightforward. I'll make the column fi xi minus x bar square, fi xi minus x bar cube, fi xi minus x bar raised to 4, and I'll get the first four moments. Let's do this first of all. So which column I'll need first of all? Which column you'll need first of all? You just have to use the formula. Statistics is not so difficult that you need to think so much now.
Xi fi.
xi minus x bar.
No. The first is fi xi. Very good. Because you need the mean, right, in each of the column. And if you don't find the mean, it's difficult. Yes. Those are going to be 30. Then
390.
390.
390.
1175.
1175.
525. 270.
270. The summation is you can also check this operation on your calculator. Summation Fi xi.
2390.
This will be a good exercise. After the lecture, you can try this. How can you find the summation Fi xi? It will again reduce your efforts. What was the summation? Can you repeat it?
2390.
2390.
2390. So
Uh,
x bar, just a minute, 2390 divided by 100. So that is 23.90. Now tell me the columns. Fi xi minus 2390 square. We don't need 1 because it is already 0. Next one, Fi xi minus 2390 cube. The next one will be 23.90, sorry. Next one, Fi xi minus 23.90 raised to 4. Now what you need to do, I hope you are able to put the functions in your calculator. If you are not, please let me know. We could discuss it once again.
Sir, can you tell how to do this? First, we need to enter this function, right?
Yes. Press alpha, choose the variable y, which will represent the frequency.
Okay.
Then take a bracket. Then again alpha, choose the variable x. These are buttons you need to press. Once you get x, then minus. Then you put the value 23.90. Once you put this value, after this, what you will see on your screen, you will see y x minus 23.90. Then complete the bracket. You'll see this. Now what you need to do is you will see a button like this. X at upper square is going to be there. Even if it is not there, you can simply take x square, press x square button. Once you press x square button, you will see this here. I hope everyone is with me. If there is any problem, you can stop me because I don't have a calculator. I'm just dictating the steps. I may be wrong somewhere. Is this on your screen? Y x minus 23.90 square?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, once you have this, then this is the crucial step. Press calculate, CALC button. Saurav, you're getting this?
Sir, I'm trying. I'm on that alpha step. We have
Okay.
alpha x.
Do it.
I'm not getting
Do
that
it.
much. That's why.
Okay. Take your time, do it because this is the important step here. Then after this, press CALC. Once you press CALC, what you will see on your screen is Y question mark. Then give frequency. Once you give the frequency, it will ask you X question mark. How will it will ask? Once you give the frequency, then you need to press equal to button. Once you press equal to, you'll see X question mark on your screen. Then give the value of X. And once you give the value of X, then again press equal to. Once you press equal to, you will see Y X minus 23.90 square value on your screen. Note that down and then again press equal to. Again equal to. And follow this step. For keep going, pressing equal to, go on giving the values of xi's and yi's, and you'll get a complete table there. Yes, Sakshi, what is the
Yes, sir.
summation for the column?
2143.2. Okay,
Two,
submission. I'm talking
yes,
about the first value. I don't know
no,
about that, sir.
okay, do it, do it.
Sir, it is 8779.
It is 87.
79.
Okay, 8779. Thank you. Wait. Everyone do it fast. Follow the guideline. It will make your calculations very much faster.
Yeah, sir, it's 8779. Like it's 877.877.8.83. Like something like that. So round figure is 8779. Round it off.
Okay. Okay. Uh, let's take the decimal one. Don't get it. But how you are getting a decimal value? Yes, 0.90 is there. Okay, can you tell me the exact value? Tell me the exact value.
8778.83.
8.83. Okay.
Yes. So
Next one.
83.
There is no decimal, I guess, because
Yeah,
Uh,
even mine no decimal.
8779 is the exact.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Exact number.
878779 is exact. So no decimal places.
okay. Fine. Tell me the third. If I xi minus 23.90 q. So I'll write down the second moment here. Mu2 is equal to summation f x minus 23.90 square on summation f. This is 8779 upon 100. The second moment is 87.79. Please raise your hand whoever have the calci with them and they are trying. At least I should have some idea of you all. Okay, not too many. Anyways, Sahil Param Shubham. Okay, thank you. You're taking this very lightly. I'm telling you, you'll pay for it later. Statistics is not something that you can do without calculator. Yes, next column. Distribute the columns. Manas, you have got third column.
Yes, I am just calculating the summation.
Okay, Ved.
No, sir, not yet.
Okay.
So I just got it, but I don't know if it is correct or not.
Okay, tell me the answer. I'll verify it later.
It is something 135,777.397.
Okay.
Mine is 18103.8.
1810.
3.8.
Auroshri?
Yes, sir. It's taking a bit time to do it.
Okay.
Sir, it's approx 16.
Hasnan? Harshit Goyal. Harshit is not
Sir,
responding
my
today.
answer is coming in negative.
Negative? It shouldn't come negative actually. Yes,
So
it
the
can
first
be
two values are
negative.
negative. The others are
Hmm.
positive.
Okay. Let's just wait for some time. This one is correct actually. 1810 3.8. Let's write it down. This is wrong. 18103.8 is correct.
So, but it will come in negative.
No, no, no. It won't come in negative. Last column, anyone?
It's almost done.
Then I'll tell you a shortcut way of doing it. It's not actually the shortcut way, but we'll get a smaller values. That's it. Now, Harshit,
Yes, sir.
yes, you have got the summation.
No, sir. My calci is not working properly. I have to figure it out somehow.
Okay. Khushi,
Sir, I'm doing it.
For the fourth column, the sum is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 4.77.
2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7,
7, 7.
4.77. Yes, it is correct. Fine. So mu3 will be 18103.8 divided by 100. So that is 181.03. Mu4, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 4.77 divided by 100. So that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.74. This is, I mean, sure short one that you don't have to use a lot of your brain, but you can directly let your calculator do the work, but just you have to be careful with all the values. So the next thing that we are going to see here is how can I do this? I mean, this is giving me a lot of big values. I don't want big values. Okay. So what I will do is I'll make a method number two and do this with smaller values. Method two. This will be the combination of lot of things, and we have 20 minutes. Let's see. Let's start with the class intervals. Class intervals I have 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Then we have 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So class marks. These are exercise. So 5, 15,
Sir, can you
25,
just scroll it up?
35, just a minute. For
Thank you, sir.
so we have exercise in this. Then the next column, frequency. So frequency are 6, 26, 47, 15, and 6. How do you reduce the value? By
Change of origin and
change of scale. So I'll define new UIs as xi minus, yes, any value of your choice. It has to be 25. Minus make the things as small as possible. When you define UI, use it efficiently. Minus
47.
7.
7.
47.
Why 47?
Middlemost value.
The middlemost for the frequency or for the x?
It will be 25.
Yeah, 25.
So xi minus 25 divided by. While find doing the change of origin and scale, you need to do it for the observation, not for the frequency. Remember that. So middlemost is 25. Now what? What should I divide by to make the values very much smaller?
5.
Okay. If you divide by 5, what you will get? 15 minus 25, that is minus 10 divided by 5. 5 minus 25 minus 20 by 5. Still we are getting, can you make it more smaller? Divide
Sir,
by,
20, 20, 10. Okay.
if you divide by 25 minus 25, minus 20 will become 1 actually. And this will become 0.5. Let's not go into decimal. That's why 10. Okay.
10.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now what I can do is I can get the u bar and do the calculation, but I won't go to that. What I will do is I'll use mu r of a. Okay. I'll use this. Be careful. What we want, mu r of the variable x. Okay. How will I get that? By multiplying h raised to r mu r of u. Correct? Up to this? Is this clear? So we have found out the new variable
Yes, sir.
u. For the rth moment, I'll multiply by h raised to r. Now what I want to find, mu r of u. So after this, to find mu r of u. This is what we need to find. Now for this, what I'm going to do, I will find mu r of 0. What will be mu r of 0? Yes? Say mu 1 of 0, tell me. For the variable u, for u. What will be the formula? If I want to find mu 1 of 0, summation fi xi minus
0.
0 raised to 1 upon summation fi, right? Then I will find mu 2 of 0. Again, that will be summation fi xi minus 0 raised to 2. This is nothing but summation fi. In this case, sorry, I'm doing it for you. So this has to be ui minus 0. Ui minus 0 fi ui upon summation fi. Upon summation fi. So this will be summation fi ui square upon summation fi. Mu 3 of 0 will be fi ui cube upon summation fi. Mu 4 of 0 will be summation fi ui raised to 4 upon summation fi. Can I get mu 1 for u from using these values? Can I get that? Can I get that? I know it's but you will have to recall what things we have done yesterday in order to understand this. Because once this is clear, I will directly go on writing the values and you'll get the answer. Is there any way by which you can get mu 1 for the variable u using these values, mu 1 of 0, mu 2 of 0, mu 3 of 0, and mu 4 of 0? No one remembers this. Manas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can we do that? Can I find mu 1 using mu 1 of 0, mu 2 of 0, mu 3 of 0, and mu 4 of 0?
Yes, sir.
By using? Khushi?
Sir, I didn't
Sakshi?
attend it.
Okay, you didn't attend. Sakshi? Arey, by Ayush. Lectures are uploaded on YouTube. All of them are there. I don't know why you want link on Google Classroom again.
So
Aditya,
h to the power 1 mu 1 of x.
no. You're telling
So
me the
by
relation.
binomial
Huh,
distribution.
huh. So what we had was we had a relation between mu r of a and mu r. Okay. So for the variable u, what I will do is I will find these about 0. Then I will find the central moments for u. From the central moments of u, we have this relation by which we can get the central moments for x from central moments of u. I hope this complete process is clear to you now. So I'll write this more precisely. I'm going to rub this. So we have the variable u. Just if this is clear, we won't need much time for this now. So it's very much clear. This one example will explain everything to you. So what I said, I'll find out fi ui. Fi ui square. Fi ui cube. Fi ui raised to 4. What are the values? This will be minus 12, minus 26, 0, 15, 12. FIUI square, that will be 24, 26, 0, 15, this will be 24. FIUI cube is minus 48, minus 26, 0, 15, 48. The last column is 96, 26, 0, 15, 96. The summations minus 11, 89, and minus 11 to 33. Whose moments you are finding? You are finding the moments of u. Okay. So mu 1 of 0. So these are called the moments about 0 of which variable? U. So mu1 of 0 is, what will be the formula? Summation fi ui upon summation fi. So that is minus 11 upon 100. That is minus 0.11. Mu2 of 0 is summation fi ui square upon summation fi. What is this? 89 upon 100. The value is 0.89. What will be mu3 of 0? 0. Minus 0.11. I'm not writing the formula in this case now. Mu4 of 0 is 2.33. You have these four values. Central moments for which variable? U. What will be mu1 of U? Go to the formula. Mu1 is 0. Mu2 is, what was the formula that we wrote yesterday?
Mu2 of A
mu2 of 0 minus
minus 2 mu1
mu1.
of 0.
To simplified one,
Yeah,
mu1 of 0
mu1 of 0 whole square.
whole square, exactly. So that is 0.89 minus of minus 0.11 square. What is mu2? 0.8779. Please check the calculations. Please mute yourself, Manas. Mu3 is, the formula is mu3 of 0 minus 3 times mu2 of 0 into mu1 of 0 plus 2 times mu1 of 0 cube. Please check the formula that we saw yesterday. So the answer is, so that will be minus 0.11 minus 3 times 0.89 minus 0.11 plus 2 times minus 0.11 cube. So mu3 is 0.1810. Check the calculations. Now mu4 is mu4 of 0 minus 3 times sorry, 4 times
4 times.
mu3 of 0 into mu1 of 0 plus 6 times mu2 of 0 into mu1 of 0 square minus 3 times mu1 of 0 raised to 4. Put the values, we'll get mu4 equal to 2.3457. Now these are the central moments for U, and for using this we need to find central moments for the variable x. So mu1 of x is equal to, what will be the formula?
H power.
We'll define the u. I'll write down the u here. What we defined, u is equal to x minus 25 divided by 10. So this is equal to h to the power 1. What is our h here? 10 raised to 1 into mu1 of u. Mu1 of u is 0, so this will give me mu1 of x is equal to 0. Now what is mu2 of x equal to? Quickly now, this is the end.
100 into mu2 of u.
10
10
square.
square mu2 of u. So that is going to give me mu2 of x is equal to, multiply this by 187.79. Third one, mu3 of x is equal to 110 cube into mu3 of u. So that gives me mu3 of x is equal to 181.03. And mu4 of x is equal to 10 raised to 4. Mu4 of u. So that is going to give me mu4 of x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.748. I hope everything is clear now.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, what did you write the central moments for x is x3 or
X, comma. This is
okay?
comma. There is
So,
just
but
one
isn't
variable.
this method lengthier?
But of course it is lengthier, but this makes your values very much smaller. है ना?
Sir, but we have the calculator. That's why the first
Yes,
one
yes,
was.
it is your choice. My job is to explain all the methods. You can decide. I mean, whichever you feel good that you can use. Just one homework I'll give you. The four moments of a distribution about the value 5R to 20, 40, and 200 respectively. Find first four central moments. And second, find mean and standard deviation. So you can try this. Fine. I'll give you the link for attendance.